Hello everyone and welcome back. Shilajit Gummies. You've seen them all over social media, but do they actually work or is it just another supplement that takes your money and does nothing? Today we're looking at Holistic Hercules Shilajit Gummies to find out the truth. Holistic Hercules is a US brand out of Rochester, New York. Their Shilajit Gummies come in two versions. The first is a pure Shilajit gummy, watermelon flavored, sugar-free with 10,000 milligrams of Himalayan Shilajit per serving, plus 85 trace minerals and fulvic acid. The second is their performance blend, which stacks Shilajit with Tongkat Ali, Black Maca, Panax Ginseng, Ashwagandha, and Mucana pruriens. That second version is clearly aimed at men who want to boost energy, testosterone, and bedroom performance. Both are vegan, non-GMO, and free from artificial stuff. Let's talk about what's inside. Shilajit itself has real science behind it. Studies show how it can raise testosterone levels and support energy. Tongkat Ali is well researched and has been shown to increase free testosterone and lower stress hormones. Ashwagandha is proven to help with stress and recovery. Panax Ginseng boosts dopamine, which helps with confidence and drive, so on paper the ingredient list is solid. These are not random filler herbs. Most of them have actual clinical studies backing them. Customer reviews are mixed. On Amazon and in the brand's own website, a lot of the users, especially older men, report more energy, better focus, and improved drive. Many say results started showing in 1 to 2 weeks, but on Trustpilot, a number of customers complained about orders taking over a month to ship with no reply from support. But what's good? Well, the formula is strong. The ingredients are research-backed, they're sugar-free and vegan, and the brand offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. What's not so good is that they have shipping delays, weak customer support, and the marketing team makes some very bold claims that go way beyond what the science actually supports. So, does it actually work? The ingredients have a real chance of helping, especially if you're dealing with low energy, stress, or sluggish testosterone. But don't expect magic. Results take weeks, not days. And if you do order, buy direct from their website or Amazon. Keep your receipt and use that money-back guarantee if the things go wrong. Drop your comments in the questions, and that's it for today's video.